Good morning students. Hello everyone. Today we will continue our chapter perimeter and area. Perimeter we already discussed. Now we will solve some questions related to area. Area of rectangle and area of square. We discussed about the formula of area of rectangle, that is equal to twice of length multiplied by breadth. Area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. We can say side square. Now see, your question is find the side length of a square of area 256 centimeter square. Unit of area is square unit, maybe square meter, square centimeter, like this. Okay, what is given to you in this question? That area of square is equal to 256 centimeter square. We want to find the side of a square. Then what is the formula of area of a square? Side multiplied by side is equal to 256. It means side square is equal to 256. Then side is equal to square root of 256. Now how to find out the square root of this? You can do by prime factorization method. 256. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 16 2s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 1. Now make the pair 1, 2, 3, 4. It means square root of this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 16 centimeter. So we can say that side of a square is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, this is very easy question. Now we will discuss another example. Your example number 5. What is the question? The length of a rectangular plot, the length of a rectangular plot of land is twice its breadth. Of land is twice its breadth. If the perimeter of the plot be, if the perimeter of the plot be 300 meter, find its area. The length of a rectangular plot of a length of twice of its breadth. This is question related to equation also, which you discussed linear equation, how to convert statement into linear equation. So this is not only the question of perimeter and area, we use the concept of linear equation, that how to do convert statement into linear equation. Then after we will solve according to our formulas and find out the values. So doesn't think always that we are doing 15 chapter, it means only we are discussing 15 chapter. We always use the concept of other chapters also. So firstly clear that chapters. Now see how to solve it. Length of a rectangular plot. Rectangular plot this type, this is length and this one is breadth. length of a rectangular plot of land is twice its breadth. It means a breadth is equal to x centimeter, x meter, because your parameter is given into meter. Then length becomes twice of the breadth, that is 2 into x. Let breadth of the rectangle is x meter, then length becomes twice of its breadth, that is 2x meter. So what we write down? Let breadth of rectangle is equal to x meter. Then length of rectangle, according to statement, length of rectangle is equal to twice of breadth, that is equal to 2 into x is equal to 2x meter. Next statement given to you, perimeter of the plot be 300 meter. Next is given to you, perimeter of plot is equal to 300 meter. If you know the formula, then what is the perimeter of rectangle? That is twice of length plus breadth is equal to 300 meter. Twice of length is x, breadth is 2x is equal to 300. X plus 2x, this 2, firstly we will divide, it becomes 3x, 300 divided by 2, that is 150. Then when you solve, then x becomes 150 divided by 3, that is equal to 50 meter. It means breadth of rectangle becomes 50 meter. You write down in statement, and this one become 100 meter. This one is 50 meter and this one become 100 meter. Now find its area. Then area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth, 100 into 50, that is 5000 square meter. This time we will find out the area of rectangle here. Okay. Now let's see the next example. A tile measures, example number 6, a tile measures 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter. How many such tiles are required? How many such tiles are required to cover a wall, 4 meter multiplied by 2.5 meter. A tile measures 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. How many such tiles required to cover a wall of 4 meter multiplied by 2.5 meter? This type dimension given to you, it means your wall is in the shape of different. So we can say this is length, this one is breadth, in the shape of rectangle, and your tile in the shape of square, you can say. So what is the meaning of this question? Suppose this is a wall. This is a wall of 4 meter and this one is 2.5 meter. In this you want to cover this wall by a tile. So one tile, if I put one tile here, tile is in square, like this, how many tiles there is a need to cover this wall? So number of tiles we want to find out. So how to find out this number of tiles? How to find out? See, if we find out that one tile covers how many area? This complete area of wall we can find out by length multiply by breadth. Area of one tile we can find out. This is a square, then side into side. Then total number of area of wall divide by area of one tile, then we can find out number of tiles. So there is, in these type of question, there becomes a formulas whenever you find out the number of anything. Where you want to put it? On wall. So I find out area of wall. It means larger thing is what? Here, wall. So we find out area of wall. What we want to put there? Tile. So we write down area of each tile, means one tile. एक टाइल का कितना एरिया है, मीन्स उस वॉल के ऊपर एक टाइल कितना एरिया कवर करती है, उतना पार्ट क्या होगा, हर टाइल कवर करेगी. सो इफ वी डिवाइड area of wall divide by area of one tile, then we find out the number of tiles. So what is the area of wall? That is equal to length multiply by breadth, or you can write down directly 4 multiply by 2.5. Now see one thing, there is a unit meter. यहाँ unit है meter. In tiles you have the unit centimeter. It's your wish which one you want to convert into one unit to another unit. Suppose I want to convert this one, that 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter, 2.5 meter is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 100, that is equal to 250 centimeter. Divide by, now there is no need to convert here because this is already in centimeter. Solve it. 25 4s are 100 and 1 0. There is no unit. यहाँ कोई unit नहीं लगेगी. Because if you write down unit centimeter, 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 cut by this, then these are the number of tiles. It means इस wall के ऊपर ऐसी कितनी tiles लगेगी? There are 1000 tiles to cover this wall. So whenever we want to find out these type of questions, see what is the larger thing, where you want to put anything else. Then we find out by comparing these things. Here we want to put the tiles on the walls. There is given to you the dimension of wall and dimension of tile. So formula become number of tile is equal to area of wall divided by area of each tile. Okay, let's see the next question, next example. A farmer has a rectangular field. A farmer has a rectangular field which measures 350 meter by 240 meter. 350 meter by 240 meter. He hopes that by sowing a variety He hopes that by sowing a variety of wheat, the yield will be 25 quintals per hectare. The yield will be 25 quintals per hectare. And it will sell in the market, and it will sell in the market rupees 160 per quintal. Rupees 160 per quintal. What will be his expected income? What will be his expected income? See, what is the question? A farmer has a rectangular field. एक rectangular field है 350 मीटर by 240 meter. He hopes that by sowing a variety of wheat, the yield will be 25 quintals per hectare, and it will sell in the market rupees 160 per quintal. Then what will be his expected income? See firstly that in this rectangular field, at how many area he can yield the wheat, means कितने एरिया में फार्मर wheat yield कर सकता है, सो कर सकता है. कैसे? सॉल्यूशन, एरिया ऑफ rectangular field is equal to length multiplied by breadth, that is 350 multiplied by 240, then 24 5s are 120, 12 carry, 24 3s are 72 plus 12, 84,000 meter square, meter into meter, meter square. But see, it is given to you the yield will be 25 quintals per hectare. It means we need the area of this field in hectare. So, area of rectangular field in hectare, how to find out? 84,000. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. It means this one we will divide by 10,000, then you find out this becomes 8.4 hectare. Now the yield will be 25 quintal per hectare. In 1 hectare, he yield is equal to 25 quintal. Then in 8.4 hectare, farmer can yield is equal to 8.4 into 25. 25 4s are 100, 25 8s are 200, 200 or 10, 300, become 300 quintal. Now see, in the market rupees 160 per quintal. He will sell in the market rupees 160 per quintal. It means selling price of wheat per quintal is equal to rupees 160. Then SP of wheat of 300 quintal is equal to 160 into 300, 48, this one rupees 4,80,000. Wait, 8.4 multiplied by 25. We can say 25 4s are, okay, this become 210. 210 quintal. Then this multiply by 210, then 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32 or 1 33. 33,600 rupees. What we will done in this question? A farmer has a rectangular field which measures this. एक रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड है जिसका मेजरमेंट दे रखा है तुम्हें. इट मीन्स लेंथ वी कैन से 350 मीटर एंड ब्रेड्थ 240 मीटर. ही होप्स दैट बाय सोइंग ए वेराइटी ऑफ व्हीट, उसने क्या किया, बाय सोइंग ए वेराइटी ऑफ व्हीट द यील्ड विल बी 25 क्विंटल पर हेक्टर. इट मीन्स उस लैंड के सपोज 1 हेक्टर एरिया में मिल रहा है हमें 25 क्विंटल. तो अगर पूरे फार्म में व्हीट शो वेराइटी ऑफ व्हीट को शो कर दिया जाए, उगा दिया जाए, तो कितना टोटल क्विंटल उससे व्हीट मिलेगा. फर्स्टली वी फाइंड आउट दिस थिंग. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट? फर्स्टली वी फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ दिस फील्ड. एरिया ऑफ दिस फील्ड 84,000 मीटर स्क्वायर. But we are comparing with the hectare. Then what is the hectare? 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Then for converting it, we will divide by 10,000. Then you will get 8.4 hectare. Now see, in 1 hectare he can yield 25 quintal. In 1 hectare farmer को कितना wheat मिल रहा है? 25 क्विंटल. तो उसका टोटल एरिया जो है इसका फील्ड का वो है 8.4 हेक्टेयर. तो टोटल उसको कितना व्हीट मिलेगा? दैट इज 210 क्विंटल. कि इस फील्ड से फार्मर को 210 क्विंटल व्हीट मिलेगा. तो एंड ही विल सेल इन द मार्केट रुपीज 160 पर क्विंटल. एक क्विंटल का रेट है रुपीज 160. तो टोटल एक्सपेक्टेड इनकम क्या होगी? 1 quintal cost is rupees 160, then there are 210 quintal. Cost is equal to 160 multiplied by 210, that is expected money is 33,600 rupees. So this time we will use the concept of area of the rectangle. Let's see one more example. How many envelopes can be made? How many envelopes can be made out of a sheet of paper one 25 centimeter by 85 centimeter supposing each envelope requires a piece of paper of size 17 centimeter by 5 centimeter. See, if you see properly, this type of question we already discussed. How many envelopes can be made out of a sheet of paper? It means एक sheet of papers है 125 centimeter और 85 centimeter. How many envelopes can be formed by a piece of paper? हमने इसमें से एक पीस ले लिया पेपर का, कितना 17 सेंटीमीटर और 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो ऐसे कितने एनवलप्स इस पेपर से बनाए जा सकते हैं? तो द सेम कंसेप्ट वी विल यूज इन दिस. नंबर ऑफ एनवलप्स इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ पेपर डिवाइड एरिया ऑफ द शीट ऑफ पेपर डिवाइड बाय ए पीस ऑफ पेपर. एरिया ऑफ शीट ऑफ ए पेपर, पूरी शीट कितना एरिया कवर कर रही है, डिवाइड बाय वो एक एनवलप के लिए हमने जो पीस लिया है वो कितना एरिया कवर करता है. तो एरिया ऑफ ईच पीस ऑफ पेपर. सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ दिस पीस ऑफ टोटल पेपर, शीट ऑफ पेपर 125 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 85 and area of each piece of paper. Then find out number of envelopes. 17 5s are 85, 5 to 5 cancel. It means how many envelopes can be formed by this 125. So you can do all these type of question. Your exercise 15C based on this topic. Okay student, do it properly. Thank you.